Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Fiestinik, and I am back with another video. And today I am going to share with you gift ideas that you can give to your brothers during Rakhi. I have purchased a lot of products for my brothers so that I can give them on Rakhi. So these are the 3 boxes that I have purchased from Flipkart. And this is a Denver Black Code gift set. It contains a perfume and a deodorant body spray, which is a perfect gift combo. Plus the packaging is also very nice and shiny, so it looks very good while gifting it. The price of this was 469 rupees, the MRP, but I got it for around 277 rupees from Flipkart, which is quite a steal. And since I have to get it for my brothers, I had to get it 3 sets, so I saved a lot of money. It's a perfume and deo set. This is how it looks when I open the box. There's a deodorant and a perfume inside it. This is a deodorant. The size of the bottle is pretty much big, and it contains a lot of product. Plus this is a perfume. The best thing about this combo was I like this perfume a lot. The smell is also very nice, and it has a lot of quantity in it. This is how it looks when I open this. 60 ml product. So this is a perfect gift idea for your brothers. They will like it. Plus the box in which they are assembled is so super nice and super classy. Then I thought of gifting them watches. So these are Risley watches, and I bought it from Flipkart. And this is a set of 3 watches. They are all classic watches. One is brown in color, one is blue in color, and one is black in color. And the quality is very nice. So I got it for around 341 for 3 watches, which is quite a steal as well. They have extremely nice packaging, plus the quality of these watches are so nice. So this is the quality of the product. Perfectly shining, and the belt quality is also nice, and there is no marks or no sign of something that is bought so cheap, and it's a perfect gift idea to gift to your brothers. So I bought these 2 products for my brothers, and I hope they like it during Rakhi. Some more online recommendation I would like to share with you. So this is from Flipkart, Philips Bluetooth speaker, and it's a perfect speaker for your brothers. And this is Flipkart headphones, around 500 rupees, which is quite a steal. Man Company combo if your brother likes skincare products. Brian and Candy combo set if he's lacking any shaving kit or something. And camera lens coffee mug, which is quite a nice gift. So if you like my video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. Till then, goodbye.